Get money. Get money and
you're so goddamn pretty, 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 babe. Yeah, you're so goddamn pretty, 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 babe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. And this vlog is not just any old kind of vlog, you guys. This is actually going to be an entrepreneur vlog. I'm gonna start an entrepreneur series of vlogs here on my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Mila Simone and be sure to subscribe so that you can become a part of the beauty squad. If you guys have watched some of my previous vlogs, you would know that I am in the process of trying to start up my own business. Briefly, what we're going to be offering in the business is bling cups, bling t-shirts, bling accessories, anything you could think of, you name it, we bling it. So yes, you guys, I'm in the process of trying to get this thing up and running. There are so many different ins and outs and your girl is a little stressed. I decided this will be pretty cool to vlog for you guys because I want to bring you guys along with me on this journey. We can learn together because it's stuff I don't know, it's probably stuff y'all don't know. But quick little backstory before we get into this video. I'm actually in this room right here. And as you can tell, this is a baby nursery. We are now changing it into my workspace and I'm super duper excited, you guys. I still have to paint. I still have to figure out what kind of decorations I want. I don't think I'm gonna do too many heavy decorations just for the simple fact that it's going to be a crafting space and I don't want things to get dirty and ruined. But I do want to put some fresh paint on the wall and just some cute little things just to make me feel motivated and comfortable in the space that I'm working in. So in a few previous vlogs, I have been talking to you guys about trying to get my website up. I actually contacted a man who makes websites. We're going to talk about the contract, discuss pricing and all of that good stuff. I purchased a second printer. This printer is an Epson 7840 and it is an inkjet printer. And then this one right here is the Epson 7720 and it was on back order. It took about 3 months for me to receive it, but that printer will be strictly used for sublimating. So I went to Michael's today. I bought a whole bunch of different color vinyls and some cups. And yeah, I have some stuff from Home Goods, y'all. Here's all my vinyl, here's all my cups and stuff in this big old bag, y'all. I have tons of blank cups that I still need to work on. But I did want to go ahead and show you guys this cabinet that I purchased and it's literally perfect for this room. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's just a white, sturdy little drawer. I don't know if it was a dresser or not, but look at how deep the drawers are. Like, that's amazing. All of them are nice and deep, they're easy to pull out. It kind of just looks like an organizer and I feel like I might store my vinyl in here. I might store on this side like the permanent vinyl and then I might store on this side like the heat transfer vinyl. It's just really nice. It has 3 drawers on each side, so in total that's 6 and they're really nice deep drawers. And so I probably, after I paint in here, I'll probably put that up against like this wall or something. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna decorate the room just yet. Right now I'm just focusing on making the products so that I can upload them onto my website. And wait a minute because I'm out of breath. I went to Starbucks this morning. This is so good. It is the Grande Iced White Mocha. It's to die for. So good. And we are going to begin cleaning this room up.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with love and hold me till I scream for Avery and wash me off.
I'm recording.
But until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
She had 2, 3 drinks and she swears that I'm my bestie in a taxi.
can see, I set up my salt lamp. It is super duper heavy. It's a natural Himalayan salt lamp, and you guys know I'm off into like meditation and stuff like that. I'd say it weighs about 50 to 60 pounds, no joke. It's super duper heavy. Now what I'm doing is sitting on the floor. I'm on my yoga mat actually, and I have all my cups in front of me. I'm just gonna go through everything that I have and try to organize those things. I might place them in these drawers. I'm not sure. I have to see if they fit or not. I have a lot of cups. I have a few pink ones. These are really cool. I have a teal and a red one. I have some coffee cups. Okay, you guys, so here I have all of these straws, nice and packaged. These are some of the cups that I have, and then I'm going to decorate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up this drawer, or however many more drawers I can fill up with these bottles, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished product. But we have the salt lamp on this rhinestone little placemat. We have a Patron bottle that I created. We have a iridescent Swarovski cup that I also created by hand. I also created this tumbler as well by hand. We have our little carousel looking thing, and then we just have all of the straws. I know in order for me to be in the right mind space and continue to create things, I need for the whole daycare theme to be like erased, because as cute as this room is, you guys, I don't want to look at baby stuff on the wall. So the baby stuff got to go. Oh, Charlotte, the baby stuff got to go. Bye-bye, okay? Anyway, the first top drawer is all of my permanent adhesive vinyl. I have all different kinds of colors. There is tons and tons and tons of vinyl. I have blue, I have all different colors. Just all different colors, just nothing but vinyl and transfer tape in that drawer. And then here I have all of my iron-on vinyl. I have tons and tons of colors in here as well. Just tons of colors, so yeah. Then in this drawer down here, I have all of my bottles and my cups. And then moving over here to this side, I have another drawer full of cups. And then on this side, I have more cups. And last but not least, on this side, I have some coffee cups, some coffee mugs, and more blank cups that I can work on. I've also been working out, you guys. So I have like a ton of workout equipment in here. That's why my yoga mat is down. Okay, in this big old box right here, you guys, I have my Sublimation Tumblers. These are really cool because you can open and close the top and stick your straw in there, or you can have the option of not putting a straw in at all and just closing it up whenever you're done. And here are the straws that go with them. I'm definitely going to paint the room, but I'm just trying to get a visual for like the placement and things like that. Okay, so boom. I do like the feel. So far, so good. I really do enjoy the printer table on this wall more than I did on this wall. There's an outlet right there on the wall, so that way I can easily plug the printers in and don't have to worry about it not being enough stretch or whatever. So now we're going to go ahead and organize these drawers. I have all of my glitter. These are like some gold flakes, really, really pretty. This is some yellow glitter. I hope you guys can see the quality on here, but yeah, this is some yellow glitter. I have some pink glitter, holographic glitter, hot pink glitter, blue glitter, and of course the traditional black glitter. The next drawer I have some flocky paper for my rhinestone templates and some heat transfer tape. I also have these little scrapers that I found at Dollar Tree. You can use this as like a rhinestone scraper to scrape all the rhinestones off the table. The rhinestones then fall into this little hole, and then you just turn the hole over, empty them back into the container. So really cool. I got 2 of those. I have some sandpaper for prepping the tumbler, and I also have some heat transfer tape. Over here I just have some, I just have a little rhinestone brush, a few of them actually, and I have some ribbon, just some miscellaneous things, you guys. Some ribbon, some rhinestone, little thin adhesive strips for when I make my bottles, and some little diamond chains, stuff like that, you guys. Just, oh, here are the wheels, y'all. Here are the wheels. I knew I had some wheels up in here, y'all. Oh shoot. Hope I ain't breaking nothing. That's right. Okay. Woo. I think this is something I got as a free gift when I first bought my Cricut machine from Joann's. But yeah, I don't really need it, but I'm gonna save it just in case I need it. Yeah, so while I don't know what these different cutting mats are for. I know that they are necessary when cutting different material, so we definitely want to keep these. And I use the blue one a lot. This is the light grip one, and so I need to clean it. I'm gonna watch a video on how to clean this mat because it is filthy. I'm just gonna lay this sublimation paper along here, and then, oh my god, I have some sublimation ink and also some regular ink that I'm just going to place in this drawer and store it. While trying to start up your own business may be stressful, you definitely want to make sure you are in a clear mental space, because this stuff is serious. It's your reputation that's on the line, your brand that's on the line. If you find yourself getting stressed out, just walk away and take a break, girl. Walk away, have you a glass of wine, go eat some potato chips, some ice cream, scroll on social media, hop on the shade room, see what they're talking about, and then get right back to it as soon as you feel like. And then I want to talk about that too, social media. Social media is important. Social media plays a huge role in a lot of folks' lives. Mine's as well. When you rely on your social media platforms to drive in business for you and clientele and things like that, promote what you're selling, promote your business on social media, you know, and use it in a positive way. My biggest issue sometimes with social media is that I am sometimes too wrapped up in what other people have going on. And I don't mean that in like a negative, nasty way, but like, for example, like the shade room. I love the shade room. I shouldn't, but I do. I find myself on the shade room for hours at a time a day. And the next thing you know, it's dark outside and my whole entire day has passed me by because guess what? I've been sitting on my ass, scrolling up and down Instagram, looking at the shade room. And look at me. These people still out here making money or whatever the case may be. And I have let my entire 24 hours just pass me by. I haven't gotten anything accomplished that I needed to. So yeah, just a little piece of advice from me to you, girl. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. What matters is how productive you are with your time and what you do within those 24 hours. We're all human and it does happen that way a lot of times. So right here I have some cardstock paper. This is what I'm going to be using to make my business cards. If you guys are interested in sublimation but don't have a sublimation printer and you have an inkjet printer and you're interested in placing an image on a t-shirt, this is also another great buy. This is the Avery DIY t-shirt transfers. They have one specific package for dark color t-shirts and one specific package for light colors. I have one of each. With your inkjet printer, you print out the picture that you want. The picture comes out on this paper. You put the paper down on whatever clothing material you want. It could be cotton or polyester, and then you just take your iron or your heat press and ta-da! You have your t-shirts. So yes, definitely a great alternative to sublimation. So far this is what this little area is looking like. I have my sublimation paper up top with the parchment paper and some adhesives, and then I have my Cricut cutting mats here, nice and neat. Glitter drawer, the flocky paper and transfer tape and stuff like that. The cardstock paper, miscellaneous little tools and stuff. We have the glue and the ink, and then we have our photography paper and our printable vinyl. That's what our little area looks like so far. So my mom and I are currently at Walmart. We needed some water at home. And Oreo, say hi. Oreo. Oreo, these are the Lajuan. Say hi. Over it. And I'm so anxious to get back home because I am ready to finish organizing my rhinestones into their designated containers. And I'm also really sleepy. I've been learning Cricut design space and I'm pretty for sure I have the hang of it because all of my cutouts have been successful thus far. I also need to practice using Silhouette Studio now that I somewhat know how to work Cricut design space. I need to practice. Okay, Oreo's just ruining my and I need to practice using Canva.com too.
Get money and
Charlotte, weren't you just in the hospital?
yes, I was.
This lighting makes my makeup look beat.
And that money gonna make my pockets look fat.
That jump rope is gonna make my waist look
Snatched.
snatched. Good job! made lots of progress today. This thing is about this tall, and it is literally filled with all different colors and all different sizes of rhinestones. And keep in mind, you guys, I still have rhinestones over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you have not already, be sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so that you guys are always updated when new content is uploaded here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.